welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisette. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you all the items or all the beauty products that I got from BoxyCharm. So here's the little box and let's open it up and see what we got. So this month's BoxyCharm's theme is called Alter Ego. Always I will list all the product details right here so you guys can see also the price. So let's begin. Super excited when I saw that I was gonna get this mascara from It Cosmetics. So this is their superhero mascara. Really liking this mascara. I tried it before. I just purchased a little sample mascara from Ulta and just to try it out, and I really liked it, like how my lashes look and how it lengthens my lashes. So I'm wearing it right now. So next I got this Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask, and this is from the brand Dermovia. It says that it's intense exfoliating facial mask with compression lace support. So that's pretty neat. I can't wait to give this a try. I got this makeup cleansing balm that melts away all the makeup, and this is from, it's called Green Clean and it's from the brand Pharmacy Beauty. First time actually hearing about this brand. I'm actually quite excited to try new makeup removers, especially in this kind of consistency. It's like oily, so that's really nice, so it won't damage, you know, the skin. And it smells like green tea. Can't wait to give it a try. So next I got this Ever Liquid Lipstick from Kat Von D, and I get the shade Lolita. I do like the formula. Let me swatch it for you guys on this hand. This is like a mauve shade. I don't know if you can really see the color there, but it's pretty. I'm gonna save the best for last. So I got this beautiful, gorgeous eyeshadow palette. Now this is a Midnight Masquerade palette and it's from the brand Pure, and this is a Complexion Authority. If you want to see the inside, I got 4 shimmery face powders and 6 buttery eyeshadows, which are right there. So I'm gonna begin with this shade right here. It's called Exposed. Next, I'm going to watch for you guys sneak peek. Sneak peek. They're very pigmented. Moving on to Showtime. Moving on to Showtime. It looks like Showtime, alright. Okay, then I'll be swatching Mask Off. And then I'm swatching Disguise. Last but not least, 12 a.m. Aren't those shades gorgeous? I cannot wait to create a look for you guys. So now let me swatch the face shimmery powders. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch Twilight first. Oh, it's so pretty. Alright, so there's Twilight. Then I'm gonna swatch Hidden Secret, which is the shade right here. Very pink. Next, I'm gonna swatch Enchanted. This is the shade right here. That's like a copperish color. Oh, so pretty. And lastly, I'm gonna swatch Reveal. Ooh. Wow, it's like a burgundy. I don't even, gosh. Such beautiful shades. Girl. Really cool. Alright, so those are all the 5 items that I got from BoxyCharm. I'll be creating a look for you guys like I always do, so keep an eye for the video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video, share this video, and let me know in the comments down below if you like for me to do other type of videos, makeup tutorials, or if you are enjoying my unboxing with you guys from BoxyCharm. Let me know if any of you have tried any of these products that I just mentioned to you, and see if you like them or not. Alright, I will see you on my next video. Bye!